Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to math session. We are doing lesson number 9. How many times? Okay, so please take out your textbook. Take page number 130. Stick play. Here, this girl named Mitu is playing with stick. Let us see how she is playing. Mitu had some sticks. She arranged them like this. So, this girl is Mitu, and she has some sticks. You can see some sticks are there with her, and she arranged the sticks like this. 1 times 5 is equal to 5, 2 times 5 is equal to 10, 3 times 5 is equal to 15, 4 times 5 is equal to 20. So, what she is doing? She is playing with the sticks and arranged the sticks like this in the manner of 5 tables. So 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. Like this way she is arranged. You can see here, first she arranged 5 sticks in vertical manner. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, first she arranged the sticks in vertical manner, 5 sticks. Then she started keeping the sticks in horizontal manner. Okay, one time she kept one stick. So one stick she kept in the horizontal manner like this. You can see here. So 1 time 5. So on the vertical sticks of 5, she kept one stick across it, like in horizontal manner. You can see here 5 sticks first arranged vertically. On that, first she arranged one stick like this in horizontal manner. So 1 times 5 is 5. Look here, the dots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 1 times 5 is 5. As she arranged, he got the joining points of both the sticks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 5s are 5. She took another stick for the next time and kept over it. Next stick she kept like this over it. First stick already over. Then she kept on the second stick. So total how much are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 times 5 is equal to 10. You got the joining points. 5 2s are, otherwise 2 5s are 10. You can see here, when you keep one stick like this in the horizontal manner, the stick touches with the other stick which is kept in vertical manner, and the touching point is shown in here as dots. You can see the dots here, that is the touching point or meeting point of both the sticks. This stick touches with this stick in this point. Likewise, this stick touches with this stick in this point. Okay, so this touching point, this point shown here should be counted. That is 1 5s are 5. When she kept the second stick, total how many joining points are there? Touching points are there. You can see how many dots here, 1 2 3 4 5, and here also 5. That is 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Likewise, she kept the third stick also. Now you can see 5 more points added. Here 5 points, here 5 points, and here 5 more points. You can see here 5 dots here. How many are there total? There are 15. That is 3 times 5 is equal to 15. Likewise, when she kept fourth stick, she got 20. So 4 times 5 is equal to 20. So this is the stick play. You can arrange the stick like this. If you want to arrange more sticks, to make the table of 6, 7, 8, you can arrange the sticks extra and keep one by one stick horizontally over that. And the touching point, you can count that meeting point. 1, the touches with the stick in these points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This dot shown is the touching point, and that is the answer you will get here. So 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10, then 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. Likewise, if she kept this one more stick over here, she will get 5 more points here, 3 4 5, like this 1 2 3 4 5. If she keep the stick here, so 5 5s are, she will get the total of 25. Okay, so then she counted how many times the sticks were crossing each other. You can see the sticks are crossing each other how many times. That is shown as the dots here. You can see the dots, that is the joining point, otherwise crossing each other. The sticks are crossing each other. For example, if you draw a plus sign here, See, I'll show you. If you draw a plus sign here, this is the crossing point, or this line is crossing with this line at this point. If you draw one more line here, see here, this line is crossing in 2 points here. If you draw one more line here, you can see a 1, 2, 3 points are there. Likewise, if you keep one more stick here, total how many points are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you keep one more stick, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so these points should be added. This will constitute the answer 3 horizontal, 3 vertical lines. So 3 3s are 9. Okay, here you can see here. Here how many sticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sticks in vertical manner. Here how many arranged? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sticks are arranged in horizontal manner. Otherwise 5 4s are 20 or 4 5s are 20. Likewise you can add this also. Here how many sticks? 1, 2, 3. Here also 3. 1, 2, 3. So 3 into 3, 9. You can see 9 joining points here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The rest 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Okay, I think you have understood this concept. Next is 4 times 5 is equal to 4 5s are 20. We got the answer 4 5s are 20 here. Let's try making a 2 times table with stick. Now we can try to make the table of 2 using the sticks here. So in order to make the 2 time table, how many vertical lines or how many sticks should be arranged vertically? You have to arrange 2 sticks vertically, because you are going to make the table of 2 using the sticks. So 2 sticks should be arranged vertically. This position, this straight line, that is the number of sticks which should be arranged vertically. Otherwise 2 times we are going to make the table of 2. So 2 number of sticks, 2 sticks should be kept vertically. Okay, so we have to start. First stick we will place in horizontal manner. Okay, so how many joining points or how many points you will get by crossing this, by keeping the sticks like this? These 2 sticks is crossed by one horizontal stick, and you will get 2 points here. 1, 2. That means 1 2s are 2. You will get 2 vertical sticks. Here 2 vertical sticks. 1 stick is kept horizontally. So 1 into 2. Okay. So 1 2s are how many points are there? 1 2. 1 2s are 2. You got 1 2s are 2. Now she is going to arrange one more stick above it. You can arrange one more stick horizontally above it. Now you will get how many points? 1 2 3 4. Otherwise 2 sticks kept horizontally, 1 2, and here also 2 vertical sticks, 1 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Excuse me. Likewise another stick also can be kept this way horizontally. Now how many joining points are there? Otherwise how many dots you can see here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 3 2s are 6. Otherwise 1 2 3 3 sticks. 3 into 1 2 vertical sticks. So 3 2s are, we'll get the answer 6. Next stick is arranged again, that is the fourth one, and you will get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Otherwise 4 1 2 3 4 4 into here 2 sticks, 1 2, 4 2s are 8. Likewise up to 10 sticks were kept in horizontal manner over these 2 vertical sticks. So we will get the answer 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18, and the last 10th stick, when you arrange 10 stick you will get answer as 20. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. So we will get 10 2s are 20. Okay, this is the way how to arrange the sticks. Excuse me. So if you are arranging the sticks, first thing consider the table which you are going to make using the stick. If you are going to make the table of 3, how many sticks should be arranged vertically? You have to arrange the 3 sticks vertically. Okay, if you are going to make the table of 4, you have to arrange 4 sticks in vertical position. Okay, then only you can find the answer using this stick play. Okay, now let us move on to the next one. Before going to that, here given children can be given 16 and 24 sticks to arrange and encouraged to try different arrangements like 4 into 4, 2 into 4, 8 into 4 for 16 sticks. See, this I'll show you. Here we have to make the answer of 60. Here we are asked to arrange the sticks like this. These are all factors of 60. The number which is divisible, or the numbers which are multiples of which, when multiplied we will get the answer 16, they are called the factors. Okay, see here, 4 into 4, 2 into 8, 8 into 2, 4 4s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 8 2s are also 16. Let us see how we will arrange using the sticks. Okay, first one, 4 4s are, so first we have to arrange 1 2 3 4 sticks in vertical position. Then in horizontal position also 4 sticks, 1 2 3 and 4. Now you can see how many joining points are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. We will get the answer 16. So you have to get answer as 60. You can arrange the sticks in any way, but the answer should be 60. So if we arrange 4 into 4, 4 sticks in vertical position as well as 4 sticks in horizontal position, you will get the answer as 60. This is one way. Another way, we can arrange in 2 into 8. Okay, so first we have to draw 8 sticks here vertically. Okay, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now 2 sticks in horizontal position, 1 2. This also you will get 8. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here also 8. So 8 plus 8 is equal to 60. So you can arrange the sticks like this also using. Here how many sticks are used? Here 10 sticks are used vertically, 8 and 2 horizontally. Here 4 vertical, 4 horizontal, so 8 sticks are used. So you can arrange the sticks in any way that the answer should be 60. So these are the examples. In another way, if you arrange in 8 into 2, that means you can arrange here. I will show you 8 into 2. Okay, so you can arrange 2 lines like this, 1 2. Now 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So here also you will get the answer 8 2. Here 8 2s are 60, 8 horizontal, 2 vertical. Okay, so these are the 3 other ways to get the answer as 60. Using, you will try to learn different ways or different multiples of 16. Okay, different factors of 15, not multiples. You will get learn the different factors of 16, the numbers which are divisible by, which are the factors of 16. The numbers when multiplied you will get the answer as 16. That are the factors. So here one more example is also given. 12 2s are, that is for 24. Here 12 2s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 4 6 are 24, 6 4s are 24, 3 8s are 24 and 2 12s are 24. This also you can arrange using like this. Try to arrange or draw sticks like this and arrange these numbers. So it will, you will get new way of forming or making, arranging the sticks in order to get the answer as 24. Okay, Now let us move on to the next question. Now draw sticks to make the multiplication table of 6. So now you are asked to make the multiplication table of 6. So while making the multiplication of table of 6, first we have to draw 6 vertical lines, because we are going to make the multiplication table of 6. So we have drawn 6 vertical lines. I have drawn here 6 vertical lines here. Now first one is 1 6 r. Okay. So for first answer, what you have to do? First line. 1 6 are 6. How many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. One stick is arranged. So 1 vertical line 6 is equal to 1 6 are 6. Okay. Now how much is 2 6 are? Draw another line here and you will get 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. So 2 6 are 12. You will get the answer 2 6 are 12. Now next one, 3 6 are. Draw one more line, 3 6 are, you will get the answer 18. Now 4 6 are. 4 6 are 24. You can count this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. Okay, so 4 6 are 24. Likewise we can draw 5 6 are, how much? You will get the answer 5 6 are 30. Next line 6 6 are 36. Next 7 6 are 42. Next is 8 6 are, how much? 8 6 are, you will get the answer 48. Now 9 6 are 54, and finally 10 6 are 60. So first you have to draw this, then you have to write the table. First you draw vertical lines, then draw one horizontal line. After that write 1 6 are 6. Then draw a second line, then write 2 6 are 12. Then third line draw, then write 3 6 are 18. Likewise you have to complete this. Okay. So this is multiplication table using sticks. You can draw sticks to write the multiplication table of 5 7 8 like that. Okay, it will be good for you. Okay, so learn the table. Don't forget to learn the table. Write table every day 1 to 15 in your rough book, otherwise you will forget. So learn the tables 1 to 15 thoroughly. Okay, so there is a homework for today. Yesterday I have given you the homework, page number 128, show jumps with 4 steps. Likewise you have to do the page number 129 as homework today. This is try jumps with 7 steps. You have to make the jumps here using 7 steps. So that is 1 7 are first jump you will reach here in 7, and from second jump you will reach in 14. You have to make 7 steps. Okay, third jump you will reach on 21. Likewise you have to jump up to, you have to make 15 jumps. Okay, so this page you have to do as homework for today. So let us wind up the session for today. Thank you.